Within the dynamic landscape of development lies the compelling need to nurture the most heartfelt connections with people in the community. In order to understand what they need, we do our best to understand what they feel. True development is built by the foundation of sincere and genuine relationship among people. For over 6 years, we have been involved in the continuous pursuit of providing a better quality of life for our farmers and their community. Going into the mid-year, we look back at how the program has touched the lives of its phase 2 beneficiaries in the Bicol region. By making sure that the program's beneficiaries are well capacitated with the true essence of leadership and the foundations of an organization, farmers were given a renewed sense of purpose and empowerment. This led to active participation in skills enhancement activities to further improve their farming practices. Excellent yield, a grainy goodness of income, a healthy enterprise, and an organic approach to agricultural success.
Sobrang laking tulong po ng SAAD sa amin dahil hindi na po namin iniisip yung pang-araw-araw na gastusin. Lalo na yung mga maliliit na gastusin tulad na ng allowance ng mga bata. Kahit papano ay may naipapabaon na po kami sa mga anak namin.
Ang SAAD po ay talaga pong under ng special project. As I can compare it, yung mga nasa banner programs natin, ang kanilang mga beneficiaries tulad ng isang sasakyan, pwedeng tumakbo na hanggang 80 kph. But our SAAD beneficiaries, kailangan nating unawain na pwedeng para silang sasakyan na nagsisimula pa lang ng 20 to 30 km per hour ang kanilang takbo. So, kailangan natin ng pasensya, panguunawa, at kailangan nating dahan-dahanin ang pagpapaintindi sa kanila ng ating programa. Dahil alam natin na sila po yung talagang nahihiya, hindi pa naaabot na inaabot natin. But despite this, the program and its beneficiaries will persevere. The program has come a long way. Pero sabi nga nila, malayo na, malayo pa. As always, we go forward and do our best to serve our community.
The essence of true development lies in fostering genuine and heartfelt connections within the community. The SAAD program, being committed to this mission, continuously strives to communicate change in its covered communities, making sure that no one is left behind.